Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. We're going to take up the Dura Fly SlowPoke, have a little bit of fun with them, say hello to the horses. Hello horses. Staying on that rudder. All right. Now the SlowPoke gets its name because it can just poke along. It can also be very aerobatic, but it's got that big wide wing, that big wide thick wing, so it's actually very heavy for a RC model. For as a foamy, it's actually very heavy. I don't know the weight. It's just I have so many planes, and when I pick it up, I'm like, oh man, that's a heavy plane. And it is for its size. But it has a great roll rate. Like I say, it can be aerobatic. Do a knife edge here, no problem. All right, dead motor right now. Just gliding on by. There, give it some gas. Looks good against that sun. Not trying to blind y'all. Good landing. Good landing on that bird. All right, let's get her turned around here. Come back. All right. I need to put a scarf on that pilot. Don't you think? Get a nice coordinated turn there using that rudder.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
All right. Just climbing the stairs, climbing the stairs. All right, let's see if we can't bring her back right by us here. Try not to scare the horses, but there you go. That's a good flying bird though, I gotta admit, it is. It is not one of my favorite birds, I ain't gonna lie to you. And I don't have a reason for it. It's a good flying bird. Oh man, that was a good landing. All right, we got 2 minutes to get turned around here. I guess I have a stupid prejudice against HobbyKing planes. I've had such terrible experiences with them in the past, so I shouldn't be that way. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this bird here at all. It's a Durafly project, or a Durafly product. I've just had bad experience more with the customer service at HobbyKing. But that's my own personal experience. That's not indicative to everybody. Oh boy. I want to do that again. That's fun. Folks, if you know, I gotta tell you, the one skill that if you don't work on any other skills in flying your planes, you don't work on your knife edges, you don't work on your inverted flying, you don't work on loops and rolls and all that. If you do, one thing you must work on, and you must make a point: takeoffs and landings. Takeoffs and landings. Because let me tell you, as we all know, that was beautiful. Taking off is optional. Landing is absolutely mandatory. And it's going to happen no matter what. The idea is for you to control that landing and walk away with no damage. Tell ya, the Slowpoke's impressing me today.
1 minute.
Yeah, she's impressing me today. She can be very aerobatic when you want her to be. But she'll slow right down for you too. Now she's much harder to land on a regular runway. You've got to do this like this landing right here. You got to come in, let her roll, and then she'll stop. But if you get any bounce at all, she's going to bounce an awful lot because she does have such hard wheels. Well, folks, that is the Durafly SlowPoke, sold by HobbyKing, and there it is. You a happy bird? You're a happy bird. And this is what you want to hear at the end of your flight.
Motor off.
Motor off. That way you don't come up here and chop a finger off. Folks, thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hug your family, and God bless.